information from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8:15 p.m. At 6:21 p.m., a front was located along a line extending from near Joliet to 9 nautical miles northeast of Valparaiso, moving north at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and near zero visibility in blowing dust. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. The front will be near Indiana Harbor, Marina Shores at New Harbor, and Burns Harbor around 6:25 p.m. Hammond Marina around 6:30 p.m. Calumet Harbor around 6:35 p.m. Jackson Park Harbor and 59th Street Marina around 6:40 p.m. 31st Street Harbor and Burnham Harbor around 6:45 p.m. Deuceville Harbor and Monroe Harbor around 6:50 p.m. Belmont Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Harrison Beaver Crib around 6:55 p.m. Montrose Harbor around 7 p.m. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Oh.
The National Weather Service
three
in
dust storm
Chicago has
warnings.
issued a dust storm warning for southeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a wall of dust was along a line extending from near Solvenock, Illinois to near Dyer, in moving north at 45 miles per hour.
Oh.
Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source, emergency management. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 270 and 294. Interstate 88 between mile markers 96 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 42 and 103. Interstate 94 between mile markers 26 and 61. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 26 and 61. Interstate 355 near mile marker 12, in between mile markers 15 and 30. Locations impacted include West Town, Glendale Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Berkeley, Summit, Austin, West Garfield Park, Lisle, near North Side, Aurora, North Lake, Stickney, Oak Brook Terrace, York Center, Westmont, South Elgin, South Barrington, Niles, Evanston, Grand Boulevard, Gilbert's, South Shore, Armour Square, and Wayne. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Brookfield Zoo, Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Open Community College, Winchester Field, SeatGeek Stadium, Triton College, University of Chicago, Aurora University, Benedictine University, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Elgin Community College, Family Lab, Harper College.
I guess I just end these early.
The following is a special